Hello and welcome to the Conversations overview video. Conversations is Infobip's cloud contact center solution designed to help businesses interact with their customers over some of the most popular industry-standard channels. I'm here to show you how agents can simply and efficiently deal with customer queries on any available channel and how supervisors can easily set up and manage the entire contact center. Let's get you started on your contact center journey. In the Conversations ecosystem, there are two key roles: supervisors and agents. You might also hear terms like Conversations Manager or Contact Center Supervisor, but we'll stick with Conversations Supervisor. The supervisor manages the agent workload, while the agents focus on successfully resolving customer queries. Once you log into the portal, you'll see the Conversations icon on the left. From there on, click on the All Conversations to enter the contact center, and you're on your way to start having conversations. This interface lets you manage all your conversations and access detailed analytics. To streamline your tasks, there are two key panels here: My Work, where agents can find conversations assigned to them, and All Work, where agents can view other conversations depending on their access rights. Conversations also offers predefined templates to boost agent productivity by eliminating repetitive, tedious, and low-value tasks, and freeing up time for more meaningful work. Tags help you mark and categorize conversations based on topics or customer intent. They link to your dashboard, allowing supervisors to check the volume of conversations per tag, giving them insights into how topics are handled within the contact center. Next, we have the conversation logs, a chronologically ordered record of all conversation changes, giving you detailed insights into any alterations made. In other words, if something was changed, you will surely see it here. Now, let's look at the settings panel. As a supervisor, you can configure different aspects of the contact center to fit your specific needs. Focusing on the general setup, Agents section. Here, you can view and modify active agents' profiles. Next, we have queues, which act like folders for conversations, with agents being assigned to the specific queues. Routes serve as rules for sorting conversations into queues, based on conditions like channel, priority, phone number, and others. The settings panel also lets you configure agent capacity, connect conversation with chatbots, set working hours, define agent statuses, waiting strategies, and even set call wrap-up time. Now let's take a closer look at the agent's view so you can get a better idea of how conversations makes their life at work easier. Different features here help agents maintain context for each customer, with an organized overview of multi-channel conversations and easy access to the customer profile. To receive incoming customer queries, agents must first ensure their status is set to available. Let's navigate back to the All Conversations section and focus on the All Work panel, a place for all queries coming into the contact center. Here, agents can browse available conversations and assign one to themselves. If the auto assignment rule is activated, which is something a supervisor would activate, an available agent will automatically receive a conversation in their My Work panel. Inside a specific conversation, you'll find a message thread occupying the center of the screen, featuring timestamps and communication channels used. On the right, there will be details like customer satisfaction levels and queue information. This is also where we can pull up the customer profile and check out their conversations history. Supervisors get to decide which info will be displayed to the agents and customize context cards accordingly. Here's an example of conversation started over WhatsApp. Let's reply to this customer. As an agent, you can either write a response from scratch or use a template to speed up the process, like this one for a welcome message. To access templates, click on the lightning bolt icon or simply type in // and select a template from the list. Let's see what happens when a customer requests an address change. The agent updates the customer's information in conversations. But that's not all. The change is immediately reflected in People, Infobip's customer data platform. People CDP is where we gather and store all customer data, giving you a complete 360 view of each customer. If the situation calls for it, you can always change channels. Let's say we are dealing with a more complex problem. An agent can step up the game and provide support through a video call. It's as easy as sharing a link for the customer to join. And that's it. We're connected in a more personal and efficient manner. After sorting everything out, we'll wrap up and close the conversation. Now let's take a moment to explore the conversations from the supervisor's perspective. It's a bit more detailed view with extra features compared to what the agents see. By navigating to the All Work panel, supervisors can monitor all the conversations, assigned or unassigned, with easy access to the details on queues and conversations listed. And finally, supervisors have access to the analytics dashboard, critical for monitoring performance and identifying areas for improvement. And that wraps up our tour of conversations. Infobip's exceptional CCaaS solution that unlocks new levels of connectivity and effective conversations. Curious to know more? Perfect! Because there's so much more to conversations, and you can start exploring it right now by starting your free trial. Thanks for joining.